Hi, this is Chris Haughey. Thank you for joining me on Create with Chris. Today I'm sharing a fun and easy way to paint a cardinal. In this tutorial, you'll learn unique tips, fun techniques, and stress-free tricks to help make painting simple and enjoyable, perfect for beginners and beyond. This is a short clip from my full-length tutorial, Cardinal Companion, which is packed with even more amazing tips. You'll find the full video linked in the description below. So grab your brushes and let's get started. To paint the cardinal, I'm using my number 5 Radical Round and Tea Berry. It makes a really nice base to build on, and I'm painting the sections separately. So I'm painting his head, his body, and his wings. I'm using little strokes, and they're not solid and heavy. And with this darker background, it looks like little feathers with my brush strokes, and I like the way that looks, letting that background show through a little bit. I'm letting that work for me so I don't have to work as hard. Picked up just a tiny bit of baby duck to put the beak in, and I'm using my Epic script liner. Going back with True Red, I want this to be a red cardinal, so I'm bringing in those colors, those bright colors, and I don't want to say I top coat the entire bird. I pretty much do, but I'm still using, I'll call them feather strokes. I'm going with the shape of the wings, building those little feathers in there, and you can see when it dries, all the colors, the dark colors, the light colors show through. I've loaded my Epic script liner with soft black to paint that little facial mask around on his face, and switched over to black cherry to start pulling the shading in. Still, I'm not doing this super heavy. I want to just keep this very light, and you can see that I have a lot of moisture in my brush. I can move the paint around. Just defining these different sections on the bird, making sure his head shows up. And this is so simple, just a few little floats of color for highlighting and shading. Now I'm going back in with a little bit of that tea berry to brighten up his shoulders on his wings. And see how that makes that reflection. Just picking up some raw sienna. I'm going to dip dot his eye. After it dries, I'll go back and put a soft black pupil in there. Just using my Epic script liner to really define that mask on his face. Picked up a little bit of raw sienna to shade that beak, and add a little tiny highlight on the top with Snow White. Make sure that beak has a nice shape to it. Pulling a bit of Snow White on the tail, top of the wing, and I just use my finger to soften that down. And it doesn't take much, and it looks super bright, but when it dries, it almost disappears. Here's the soft black pupil right in the center of that little tiny eye. Picking up just a hint of tea berry, and I'm adding some highlighting in there. And I thought that baby duck was so pretty that I needed to add some other places. So I'm putting a few little highlights on the cardinal. Love how it's looking. I do use my fingers a lot to smoosh down the color if it's too intense. All of the supplies used are listed in the links below. Whether you are a beginner or experienced painter, I'm sure you're going to love this project. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you had fun creating this beautiful cardinal. Don't forget, you can watch the full-length Cardinal Companion tutorial for even more tips and technique. Just check the link below. If you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share so we can keep painting together. And remember, a little bit of paint makes a big difference.